What is blush? Blush is a pink-colored powder or cream that is applied to a woman's cheeks to make her face brighter and look healthier. You look really pale today. Did you forget to put on blush? To learn more about the meaning of blush, take a look at our daily English lesson 122, Packing Toiletries for a Trip. There is a better way to help you speak English more fluently. You can find it on our website at ESLPod.com. Take a look at our Unlimited English or our Apple Podcast subscription. Both are great ways to improve your English easily, quickly, and efficiently.